case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1972, C.L. Pouncey suffered permanent facial disfigurement in what appeared to be an ordinary car maintenance incident. While adding antifreeze to his 1966 Ford car, a blade from the radiator fan broke off, striking him in the face. The incident, however, sparked a precedent-setting legal dispute that culminated in the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit, holding that manufacturers can indeed be held responsible for a defective product if they were negligent in its production or design. In the initial trial, Pouncey asserted that Ford Motor Company, the maker of his vehicle, was liable for his injuries due to their negligent manufacture of the radiator fan. The court sided with Pouncey, awarding him $15,000 in damages. However, unhappy with the verdict, Ford elevated the case to a higher level. Ford spearheaded their appeal with the argument that the evidence presented wasn't sufficient to substantiate the verdict. They further contested the validity of some portions of the court's instructions and evidentiary rulings. In contradiction, the Court of Appeal underscored the presence of conflicting expert testimonies but ultimately found them supportive of Pouncey's claim. Pouncey's expert witness attributed the incident to a fatigue fracture in the fan blade, resulting from an excessive number of inclusions in the metal. The expert labeled these enormous inclusions as an identifiable defect in the metal that caused premature fatigue failure. In contrast, Ford's expert witness attributed the fracture to a bent arm of the blade, observing also that the ends of the blades were bent and cracked, creating an imbalance in the fan. However, the court opted to give precedence to the testimony highlighting the use of low-quality spring steel in the fan blades. Despite Ford's objections, the Court of Appeals corroborated the district court's decision in favor of Pouncey. Ford was held liable for damages due to their negligent manufacturing of a defective radiator fan. The court concluded that there was sufficient evidence for jury deliberation and dismissed Ford's objections as meritless. The decision underscored the responsibility manufacturers bear in ensuring the safety of their products, a critical legal precedent that continues to shape manufacturers' liability cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.